What's up? Good morning. 3:55 in the morning. We're headed to our VA show. I'm whispering because everybody's asleep. Anyway, let's go. I'm in my truck waiting for George T to pull up. He's supposed to meet me at 4 o'clock here at the house. We'll see. We'll see. Hopefully he'll be here soon. We get hit the road. We got about a 4-hour drive down to the RVA show in Huntington Beach. It's at Old World Village, and so they open the gates at 8 o'clock. So anyway, catch you on the road. There's George T. Sasquatch shows. Would you roll on the corner, your headlights off, try to creep him? I didn't even see you pull up.
Well, play it back.
See that? He's mean to his brother, bro. Mean to his brother. Alright guys, hit the road. Been on the road about an hour and a half. We're down here at Baker, land of the locusts. Crushing them up. Let's take a look at the old chopper. The old chop. That's it, bro. Make sure we don't get no. Alright. Let's hit it. California. What do you want to do? Here's where we're at, RVA show, walking around. Bro, a lot of walking around, a lot of talking to people. Me and George grabbing a bite right now. Getting everybody hyped up for one crazy weekend. Be there. To come over here to see all these people from Vegas, bro.
Travel to visit each other.
We don't see each other at home.
And then there's Troy having an awkward conversation while some dude just interviews him. Yeah, let's talk dubs, baby. Let's talk dubs. See, this guy knows what's up. So I was just gonna say what's up to these guys over here. You know, just
Glad you could see me
that
this
was
weekend.
super weird that the guy was just talking to me with the camera on the whole time, right? That was weird. Right?
Not at all.
Yeah.
I'm used to it, actually.
Looks good on you. It looks good on you. Go ahead. I got one for real.
Straight up, if you need that. So one's at Bosco. He's going to Washington.
You're live right now, or you just getting?
Maher guy was excellent.
What's that?
The podcast with the Maher guy was excellent.
Oh, did you like it?
I loved it. Stripping it. Well, I'm going to send it to the sound blaster to take all the rust and stuff off of it, primer it, then it'll go to the upholstery.
I was just telling these guys out there, it's like that. Got to work it nice and easy.
And that'll happen at 2 o'clock. And again, a lot of
Monday morning.
What's up? What's going on over here? What's going on over here?
Yeah, what's up?
What's up, Bill?
Nothing. What's happening with you, Troy? Yeah, so we're over here at the beer garden. The beer garden. Look at this German over here in the Lederhosen. Go ahead, George.
Lederhosen.
Look at that. Looking fly, bro. Looking fly. All right. Just killing time. Ah, hill bus firing up. Hill backfire. What's up, guys? Me and George were just testing limits on this dollar store bench, see if we could snap it. Got Big Lair up here from Texas, bro. Just texting the house. And just chilling over here by the old rag chop by the Hotel Europa. Hanging out here in Red City Corner. 63, 65.
You're here with your dad? inch, bro. Gotta keep it running. Gotta keep it running, bro. Little feather in the throttle.
I got a trailer right there.
Try to shut you down, bro. Ain't shutting us down. We're getting out of here, dang it.